just wanna say that you gave life to my heart. Wanna break away from that past that fall apart. I really wanna say that I love you like an art. So I'ma rap and sway, killing beat and I will start. Yeah.
You're the best, what a test, rhyme no mess, what a blessing. Never failed to amaze you next, cause what a man just like a nut. But you manage your role all those from that I start till we disclose. Well, what a man is not that close, but I feel happy with those words. Yung tuwang sinulat, grabe ba'y nakakagulat. Simulat sa mulat sa pag-ibig sa isulat. Ako ay nasiyahan sa mga sinabi mong tumaan. Kung ito'y pag-uusapan sa balik-balikan. At horse that can call me Ed Bato instead, baby. I said on the time we talk, well I was shook with those lay look. You're like a book and all it took, the you and the rook. Value of you, an amazing view, a piece of art, my queen I've seen. A lowly king will rise and lead. Sa yakap mong walang humpay, yung verse the real me at way ay tunay. Ang dali mo lang nasanay sa trip mong nakakaumayog. Ako grabe kalipay kay imong nasabtan nang ako ang pagkabuang tinuod anan wanay pinuang. Yeah, this might be a curse, but you really are the best. Gave everything. Listen to the second verse. English, Bisaya, Tagalog, kaya kong magpabulabog. Ang aking mga pasabog mula sa puso kong matayog. Pasensya na't natagalan, naging timang lang si Drian. Pero ito yung tandaan, ikaw lang ang tanging laman ng puso. Ket kokote man pagkasama kay para nang nasa ulap. Damang-dama ang langit pagkausap ng matagalan. At malamang sa mensaheng tugma-tugma tayo nang nakatugma. Ket anong pagdaan ng sumpa.
I just wanna say that I love you. I just wanna say, I just wanna say,
See, you filled my heart with joy, amaze me every time with full of joy. You rhyme it all and I recall, on the first day we met, bass was just a decoy to start a chapter to our life filled with exciting memories that we will surely treasure for life.